When you have a dream, you've got to grab it and never let go. Nothing is impossible. The word itself says, I'm possible. Life has got all those twists and turns. You've got to hold on tight and off you go. There is nothing impossible to they who will try. Keep your face always toward the sunshine, and shadows will fall behind you. Success is not final, failure is not fatal, it is the courage to continue that counts. You are never too old to set another goal or to dream a new dream. You don't always need a plan. Sometimes you just need to breathe, trust, let go and see what happens. You can be everything. You can be the infinite amount of things that people are. No matter what people tell you, words and ideas can change the world. It is during our darkest moments that we must focus to see the light. Not having the best situation, but seeing the best in your situation is the key to happiness. Silence is the last thing the world will ever hear from me. In a gentle way, you can shake the world. Nobody built like you, you design yourself. I tell myself, you've been through so much, you've endured so much, time will allow me to heal, and soon this will be just another memory that made me the strong woman, athlete, and mother I am today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.